Industrias Bachoco is celebrating its 10-year anniversary of being listed on the New York Exchange, and the chairman of Mexico's largest poultry maker is celebrating by ringing the closing bell today. He's Javier Bours Costello, and he joins me now from the New York Stock Exchange. Mr. Bours Costello, thanks for joining me. Let me get your sense about commodity prices, because that seems to be key, and a lot of livestock producers are facing that. I know that the corn prices have been high. They backed off a little bit. How are you dealing with those operating costs?
Monica, thank you for having me here. Prices have been going up from the last year, and has been a challenge for all the companies in the sector. We have been able in Mexico, in Bachoco in particular, to raise some of our prices and also gain some productivity in our production costs, so that we are doing very well right now. We don't expect prices to keep going up because the current crop in the U.S. is coming very well. It's still very early to predict, but hopefully prices will stay about the same.
So you are looking for prices to stay the same, and will that sort of, I guess, decrease your operating costs? So will that have a big impact on your bottom line then?
We're doing very well in our bottom line, and we are hoping to improve it.
Now, last quarter, sales were up about 24%. I know that you're talking about expanding in Mexico and even in the U.S. How successful are you looking to be? What steps are you taking to do that?
Well, in Mexico, we plan to expand our production. The consumption per capita is still very low compared to the U.S. So we think that we have a lot of room to grow in Mexico. And also, our brand recognition in Mexico is very good. It's very well positioned, also with the Mexican people living in the U.S. So we think that we have an opportunity coming to the U.S. and serve the Mexican market here. We are now constructing a new facility in northwest Mexico. We hope to be ready. We will be ready 2009, and we are going to start exporting to the U.S. and take advantage of our brand recognition here.
Let me get your sense also, because I know Tyson Foods said last month that they are in fact looking to expand in some parts of China and also in Latin America. They're looking to generate, they say, $5 billion in sales outside of the U.S. Is that going to impact your company at all, that sort of stiffer competition as a giant like Tyson is looking to push into Latin America?
Well, Tyson has been in Mexico for a lot of time, and we have been competing with them. So far, we have done very well, very good. The knowledge of the Mexican market that we have, I think, is better than everybody else, and I think that we will be in a better position to take advantage of the growing of the Mexican market.
Now, of course, I know you're looking to expand through acquisitions, but I mean, is a Tyson approaching you at all to possibly buy you?
No, not so far. We haven't had any conversation.
What is international demand looking like overall?
International demand is very good. Prices are high. I think that they will stay at that level. And I think that chicken is a protein that will be increasing its shares of the market, on the animal protein market.
Thanks for your time today. And again, Javier